What are you doing, Haley?
I saw one of those.
Haley, what are you doing? You opening presents? Those are great big presents, aren't they, Ashley?
Yeah.
Who gave you that?
Here, we'll open it up quick.
What kind of bulb is this? I've never seen a bulb like that. You gotta put it together. What's this?
What's in there? Whoa, what is that?
What is that?
Is it a snowman? I know.
Careful.
He told me that they got it.
They all got one?
Yeah.
So, am I going to know how to put this together? Yeah. Did you make those? What is it? What is it? Don't break it. What is it?
Oh, thank you.
What you got there, Haley?
Whoa! What is it? Guitar.